হ্যালো, কেমন আছো সবাই? How are you all? It's Saturday and last weekend of our so-called holiday period. Every time we get 2 weeks of holiday, but this year, not sure why, but yes, we have got 3 weeks of holiday and this is the last weekend. So I thought it's Saturday, I don't have much things, today is not a very busy day for me, and I thought why not to get some chit chat with you, do some chit chat with you, and we'll show you a few things today, how we are doing this holiday. By now you have all known that I am a travel freak person, and yes, yesterday also we went to a beach and we enjoyed a lot. The name of the beach was Rosebud Beach. So here are some pictures. Now the time is around 2 p.m. when I'm starting this vlog. So this is the again after a long time I'm shooting a daily vlog, which I had done previously, but then I thought why not to start from a Saturday. So I woke up at around 10 today, 10 or 9:30. We had breakfast and it was a no cooking day for me. Then I went to a nail salon and look, isn't it nice? So these are cat eye nail art, so it's really lovely. What the process they were doing is they were doing some magnetic kind of technique. Next time if I again do it, I will definitely show. Now don't go by my face today. I'm not wearing any makeup or anything, just my bare face. Now what's our plan is, as I told, today is a non-cooking day for me, but yes, we cannot stay hungry. So I'm in the kitchen. I'll show you. It's to a cooking. He's cooking today chicken and fried rice. So here is the scrambled egg part, which I think it will go in the fried rice. Veggies, rice is already boiled, so it's a Bengali style fried rice. And this is the delicious chicken which is still going on. So a khana khazana day for us, Saturday. And after now I will quickly go and take shower, and today I will share my skincare routine that I follow after shower, yeah? Because I think after shower you are a bit relaxed, you have your own time, you are not in so much hurry, mainly during weekends, because during weekends I take quite a lot of time in shower. So yes, I'll see you with my skincare routine after shower on weekends. So my weekend must 3 things that I use in my shower is, one is shower cap, as I don't want to wet my hair today. Next is body shower gel. This is from Bath and Body Works and the segment is from aromatherapy. So this is really a very refreshing, nice product. You definitely must use this if you get hold of this, and the entire day you feel very refreshing, and it contains some essential organic oils which keeps your skin hydrated as always. Now this is a body scrub. Let me open this for you. Okay, so this is the body scrub that I prefer. Now this is from a local shop in Central Tilba that I went during our New South Wales trip. This is from Bath Patisserie. Here is the name, and beautiful ingredients like Epsom salt, sucrose, almond oil, mango butter, coconut oil, fragrance oil, and it's really love. And you can see a beach. Oh my god, I cannot, if it was possible in video you would have smelled it. It removes even dead skin cells and little bit tan as well. So as we went on a beach last day, like yesterday, so definitely today I would use this. And this is a face polish from Sand and Sky. This is a must product for your skin. You will feel so rejuvenated. I'll just show you how it looks. If I open this bottle, it comes, the packaging is so cool, and they've got so much different important ingredients for your like skin. It has got mainly fruit enzymes like papaya, tomato and everything. So really helpful, guys. So now I'll just take my shower, have some relaxing time, then I'll come on my skincare that today I would be doing after my shower. So if you're liking my vlog, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and please watch the videos till the end, because you know it makes me feel happy about it. So let me take a shower. Okay, so I'm back from my shower. Now I'll start some of my favorite skincare routine. Of course, as you guys know, cleansing, toning and moisturizing. So cleansing part is done, as I have used that face polish for my skin. Now the next important part is toning. So I have got this toner. This is a very nice toner, and really it comes in really in a big size. So it's from Dr. Lewins. It's very good for and if you are hearing some noise, because my fan is on as it's too hot today temperature, you can use both day and night. It has got some berry probiotic complex. It's very good for anti-aging as well. So I use this toner. I don't do anything, let my skin absorb the toner. Please do not use hands much frequently when you are doing your skincare, because let it absorb, because toner is something that your skin should absorb. As you can see, now my toner has absorbed. Now the next thing, I'll just pat on my face. What I use is an antioxidant serum. So this is from Antipodes. Any antioxidant serum is good for your skin. It's a skin plumping serum. So H2O Intensive Hosanna. It's a kind of a holy grace product. Just one drop for my entire face, and just the smell, the texture of the product, it got immediately absorbed. And also do not forget your neck part, because that's very important. Just one drop for your neck as well. And when you massage your neck, try to give a stroke at upward direction. Now this is the serum. Now as it's daytime, I don't use much. I use very limited product as my skin has absorbed. Now I'll straight jump on to another Holy Grail product, which is from Sephora, and I got it as a sample, like to review this product from Sephora. This is a sample one, as you can see. So this is hyaluronic acid, so it helps your skin texture. It helps in improving your skin texture, and it gives a very glowing skin. If you use just once a day, it's all good, like just once a day. So just as you use a skin moisturizer, but do not apply any acid on just your bare skin. Like there has to be a serum or toner at least, so that even if your skin is too sensitive, like if you're using for the first time and you don't know, even for there is another brand called Ordinary. They have also got a very good nicotinamide acids, hyaluronic acid. These are very useful for the skin, and you can see how my skin has got just an instant glow. I just love this product, and I didn't have to spend because it was a sample free for me. Now all my samples I store in this small mini packet. Now what I will do is, where is my skin moisturizer? There is a new one that I want to try anyways. Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Now here it's summer and I don't want too much oily moisturizer, so what I will use is this moisturizer for daytime, and I have got two moisturizers actually for both day and night. I use at night this moisturizer. This is again a Korean brand. I'll show you later when I'll shoot a night skincare regime. I'm not getting my spatula, so I'll just use this one to take out of product. Don't use your hand because it's not hygienic. So just this much for my entire face and neck. Wow, it's so light. It's a gel based, water based moisturizer. So if you have got an oily skin or you don't want your skin to be too oily in texture, so definitely a must moisturizer that you can use during summer. Oh, you can see how my skin feels rich, hydrated. Okay, so now the must thing in Australia, whether it's summer, winter, rainy, spring, autumn, doesn't matter, is sunscreen. Due to the UV rays, you have skin. Those who know have seen me personally. When I was in India, my skin was very good. So I am using a Cancer Council sunscreen, and I have to use it in a very large amount, because even though I will be at home this afternoon, but still it's like a must. When I started using sunscreen, I didn't use in India so frequently. At least when I was in, like, I thought I'm inside house, but that's a complete myth, guys. No matter wherever you are, inside or outside of your house, you have to use sunscreen. And then when there was cricket matches, there were cricket matches between Australia, and when Australia team players were playing, I used to ask, like, what they are like, what's that white thing? after coming here I get to know that's sunscreen or zinc oxide, so I will also use on my hands and body. Don't forget your body. So what I use for my body is again my favorite, yes, from Bath and Body Works. This is body butter. You can see the texture. Oh my god, holy grail product. Just on your arms, and of course on your entire parts of the body. So now you can see my skin is literally glowing, and of course there are few spots of acne and pimples, but that actually doesn't matter much, because as long as you use the right skincare product, you are okay. And the last but not the least is some perfume. So after taking shower, I always feel that your body should smell nice. So just little bit and I'm done. So hopefully you are liking this vlog, and do let me know if you have any questions regarding any kind of products you want to know more. I would be giving the names either in the link, or you will be seeing the names in this video itself. So how was it? It was fun, it was relaxing. Anyways guys, I will catch you guys later part of a day, because we have a plan to go here and there, but I don't know the exact plan of the day, but I'm too much hungry, and I'll end this vlog at this moment and see you guys later.